It feels calm. You can hear the grass rustling with the wind. You know, you get that smell from a fresh rain on a grassland. For me, that just brings me a sense of feeling at home, I guess. I am an associate professor of cooperative extension and rangeland science and management, and I'm based here at UC Davis, working on issues of agricultural, environmental, and social aspects of ranching and livestock production. What we're doing out here on this project is we are testing a number of real-world management practices for grassland restoration and management. These are practices that could be very important climate-smart agricultural practices for increasing the sustainability of these lands to climate change. What really got me excited about this project was it was the very first project that I could do really close to campus. I mean, literally, we are on campus. I work a lot with ranchers on ranch all over California. It's a great job. I love it. But it's also really nice to have a piece of rangeland as a backdrop to talk to students about. It's fun. It's fun having sheep out here. It's fun to have this project kind of firing on all cylinders now. When the sun sets and the sky is so beautiful, it's just, you're out here and you take photos and it doesn't seem like you're in the middle of Davis, It is a pretty unique space.